My name is E.J. Thomas, and I chose Mayflower Construction Group to renovate my bathroom. So when I decided I wanted to renovate the bathroom, I did search, and Mayflower came up. I started looking at their recommendations, and I was shocked. I've never seen Google recommendations 100% 5 stars. And Mayflower was 100% 5 stars. I found no bad recommendations. Jeremy was the individual that was assigned to us, and he did an incredible job. The first thing he did was he called up and asked questions to find out what we were interested in. Then he came over and sat down with us and walked through the bathroom to see what we wanted to accomplish. And then he prepared a visual presentation for us showing what the bathroom would look like. And he did an incredible job. Other contractors promised a lot in a very short period of time, and I knew it couldn't work the way they were talking about. Whereas Mayflower told us what the process was going to be like and how long it would take, and I had complete confidence in it. There was no comparison. You know, when you have construction in your house and you're living in it, your expectations are that it's going to be problematic. But Mayflower told me from the very beginning that they were going to take care of ensuring that our hardwood floors were protected and our brand new carpet was protected on their way into and out of that bathroom. They put zippers to where you walked in and out of the zippers, so they confined all of the construction to that area, and it did not affect my carpet or my hardwood floors or any other parts of my house. Where the bathtub was, Mayflower recommended was extending the shower to be that whole area. And now with the shower and the rolling glass doors, that's my favorite part. I just think it's incredible. When they completed the bathroom, I can only say I was amazed. It was well beyond my expectations, and really I think it's the most beautiful room in my house right now. I run a business. I understand what customer service is, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell everybody about my experience with Mayflower, because I feel like they can't go wrong using Mayflower for their construction. I have a friend who's already called them about doing work for their house. If you provide excellent customer service, you're going to get many, many customers. And that's what I found with Mayflower. They have excellent customer service.